Whoa, 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 guess who? It's your boy Majid Ahmed back again with another vlog, yo! I'm really sorry guys. Anyways, I hope you guys are doing great and thanks for tuning in. And as you guys can see, I'm all ready and set and I'm heading off to Nandi Hills. And guess what guys? The time is 4:45 right now. Now, you guys might be thinking, Majid is gonna go to Nandi Hills, Majid is gonna enjoy the views, Majid is gonna capture everything and show it to us. What's new in that? Well, guess what guys? I'm gonna do something that nobody's ever done at Nandi Hills ever, and you guys might have never seen it. So guess what guys? I'm gonna solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube at Nandi Hills with a beautiful scenic view behind me. And guess what guys? You guys have to stay tuned for that. I'm super excited for that. And now let's go guys, because my friend is waiting for me outside, so I can't wait. Let's go. Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. With all your missing someone. With all your missing someone. With all your missing someone. From the start, and you did it right from the start. So Majid, what are you gonna do? Something that nobody's ever done at Nandi Hills, and that is solving a 3x3 Rubik's Cube with a view. Show them. Oh. Yeah. So that's your plan? Yep, that's my plan. That you guys don't think it's pre-planned. Ayman is shuffling it right in front of me so that I can solve it and show you guys. Yep. Shuffle it. Yep. Exactly. Let's go. As you guys can see, Ayman is still shuffling. Ayman, bus speaker, Ayman, it's okay.
Challenge, guys.
Yep, it's a challenge, so I'm gonna do my best.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna hand over this Rubik's Cube to Majid. So Majid, let's start. 3, 2, 1. Look at him solve, guys. Tick tock, tick tock. Okay, it's closed and it's done. Woo! Good job.
Anyways guys, I hope you like my 3x3 Rubik's Cube solves, and if you want me to do this more at some other beautiful scenic locations such as this, don't forget to like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then guys, peace.